I'm here to talk about the new VIA Connect 2. It's a smart, secure, wireless presentation and collaboration tool with an additional hardwired HDMI input. It allows work to get done during meetings or classes rather than afterwards, and it turns any space into a hybrid collaboration space or video conferencing area. It can display up to 4 users on the screen at any one time. With any laptop or mobile device, users can view, edit or comment on any document in real time. So what makes the VIA Connect 2 so special? The key thing is that it has both a 4K 60 output and a 4K 60 HDMI input. Its very small size means that it can easily hide behind a flat panel, and in today's hybrid spaces and huddle spaces, that's an increasingly important consideration. It has a 3-year warranty for both hardware and firmware, and there are no ongoing costs, and that means it's just a one-time purchase. Another enhancement is that Miracast is now built into the VIA Connect 2 rather than being accessed via an external adapter. Let's have a look at the ways that a user can connect to a VIA Connect 2. There are a number of different ways. Mac and Windows PC and laptop users can run the VIA app for the fullest experience. iOS devices can access the VIA using AirPlay. Android and Windows users can access the VIA using Miracast. And there's Chromecast for Chromebook users. You can join through a browser such as Chrome or Edge, and there's also the option of the VIA Pad, which is available as part of a kit or as an optional accessory. For large institutions or enterprises, the ability to monitor and manage a large estate of VIAs from a single platform is really important, and Kramer offer the VIA Site Manager or VSM to do this. It allows you to centrally deploy, manage and configure all your VIA devices, automate firmware updates, monitor device usage, and even create and schedule digital signage campaigns. You can download a free demo of VIA Site Manager to control up to 3 VIA devices to get a taste of what the platform can do. The VIA Connect 2 runs on a Linux platform, and it has MS Teams and Zoom natively built into it. With the VIA Versa feature, users can wirelessly connect to the professional camera, microphone and other AV in their meeting spaces, easily and instantly enhancing any video conferencing experience. Participants within a room no longer have to huddle round a laptop screen to see and be seen. They can see their counterparts on a large screen in the room, and they can be seen by their counterparts through the room camera. We've explained and demonstrated the VIA Versa feature in more detail in a separate video. So we're going to demonstrate now just how simple it is to connect to a VIA using the VIA app. So I've got an icon on my desktop which I just connect to. It opens the app and asks me, do I want to get started? The answer is yes. Then I click join. It asks me for the room code, which in this current case is 3335. I click join, and I'm now able to present what I want to present. I click on the button that says tap to present, and then you can see that I can share my laptop screen. So let's recap on the key features of the VIA Connect 2. It's 4K in and 4K out. It has a 3-year warranty for both hardware and firmware with no ongoing costs. And finally, its compact size means it can easily be installed anywhere. To illustrate how compact the VIA Connect 2 is, here it is besides its predecessor, the VIA Connect Plus. Thank you for watching.